Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we're making another Valentine's Day card. I have this Polaroid cut out. I used one of the scrapbooking papers I never needed. This is the Polaroid cutting die. It was a little too big, so I cut off a little bit from each side to fit my page, and I want it to be a little bit crooked. Then I have this Llama, and this is the set I was using. It came out very nicely, and for each I did a different color. The best glue ever. Everything I use or similar items is in the links down below. So starting with his nose and mouth, and then this little pouch thing that goes right on his back. There was another piece that will go between this and the other ruffled thing, but I just want to use these two. I think it looks really good how it turned out. There's a little spacing in between. I really like that. It's not too much, not too bright. It just enough details, and it turned out really good. And just like that. Okay, that is the llama, and now we need a sentiment, which is coming from a llama stamp set. I'm gonna put him right here. So I'm just gluing the bottom part to the blue part, and then we'll be able to move it around as we need to. I'm not gluing on the Polaroid picture just yet. I have this flower and a couple of leaves. Then I'm gonna put maybe inside or outside. We'll see. Let's color it first. So I'm gonna put the flower over a white paper, and with a marker I'm just kind of scratching over it, and it came out with this really cool kind of watercolor effect. We'll see in just a little bit, but just scratching it over, it came out really nice. Using pink on this one, like a pink, hot pinkish. Just scratching it over. So you can kind of see that there's some bits that are darker and some bits that are lighter. So it gets this really awesome watercolor effect. I'm going to do yellow on the middle part and green. Still just scratching over. A little bit here and there, and you can already see that it looks really nice. Just a little bit of details, and that's pretty much it for this one. This is how it looks. I like that it's not just flat and colored. For the leaf, I'm gonna make it a little bit shiny. Versamark, and just scrape it on the edge. Just the edges a tiny little bit. Teeny tiny bit. And I'm using color Sage Embossing Powder over a coffee filter because it just, I don't know what is with the coffee filter, but it's so good with embossing powder. The powder does not stick to it, so you can put it all back and then heat this up till it's melted. And the sage color is very similar to the color I'm using for this leaf, so it kind of blends in, but it gives that little shine. Nice little detail. So I'm gonna glue all of these together on top of each other, and a little bit of white in here too for contrast. And from the back, just glue whatever you can see that touches each other. So the top leaf goes right here. I'm gonna glue that, and some of the other leaves as well. And that's why I really like this glue, because it has this super tiny nozzle that can get into the smallest details. And the flower is gonna go right on top of here. There. Yep, there you go. That's good. Okay, this is done, And I'm going to put it right behind it, kind of sticking out, but behind it. Very nice. And then glue this as well. There you go. And any other parts that can be glued to the Polaroid. So I want this Polaroid to be a little bit sideways. I placed it down first and I glued one part so it sticks, and then I'm gonna go over each side, just a line of glue so it sticks and doesn't flicker off. All right, almost done. We'll need sentiment. I have this pre-cut tag. I'm gonna put the no llama stamp on it using a blue color. No problema. Llama love for you. Glue this and then put it right here. Right there. And then I have this really cute flower rhinestone in the color blue again, so it all matches. That could cover that little hole. And done. That was pretty easy. Cute, but still has enough details. And I really like how it came out. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Let me know what you thought, or if you have any suggestions. Thank you for watching. Please do check out my other videos. I have a lot of Valentine's Day cards coming very soon. Happy Valentine's Day.